You're welcome to your program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy, powered by Universal Empire. Today, as usual, we shall be looking at Ethnic Crisis Part 9. I am your uncle, Sir Bambam. Stay tuned.
As a life coach, Sir Bambam champions a holistic course of raising captains of industry, exposing people to self-discovery, and influencing businessmen into entrepreneurial synergy to build multi-global organizations, businesses, and empires. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more info. Thank you.
You're welcome back to our program, Building Creative Minds for Synergy. Topic, Ethnic Crisis, Part 9. Today we shall be considering our discussion more on how Rwanda resolved her ethnic crisis, her civil war in 1994. According to research, the ethnic crisis in Rwanda started with grievous demonized campaign against Tutsi, umpired by Hutu. And over time, because nothing was done, the spread of the demonized propaganda grew heavier and heavier by the day. It started precisely in 1974. Perhaps the people never gave serious attention to it. It grew and grew that they were selling the wickedness. They were selling Hutu as wicked people to the entire country. They projected Hutus, Tutsi, as people who are very dangerous to live with, and to ever see, and if possible, they should be exterminated. It's just like the kind we have in Nigeria, and we are taking it casual. What we are going through in the country is equal to sitting on a cake of gunpowder. And I pray that it never explodes. Because what we're seeing today might be that far dangerous if it explodes. Rwanda didn't see it its way until only God knows, because none was able to give a proper account of who shot the president's jet. But the description was that the jet was shot in Hutu's camp. As soon as this happened, there was grievous mobilization. The government force, the militias, neighbors against neighbors, friends against friends, family against family. And there was heavy massacre in the land. According to report, their civil war or genocide lasted for 3 months, just 3 months. And within 3 months, they have killed over 1 million people. And I ask, what was the population of Rwanda at the time? If you remove over 1 million people from Rwanda, how many people do you think will be left? And it took the force from Canada, that is the Rwanda's based in Canada. They call them Rwanda's Patriotic Force, RPF. They had to mobilize from Canada to get to Rwanda to stop their ethnic crisis. It was not funny when they started. They have to retrieve, go back, and come back with force. It was with force. They started from Kigali, and they were picking both sides, both the government force and the ethnic forces. They went to schools where some people were hiding. The men were killed. Even to a day-old child, males were killed. The women were raped in mass. This is what ethnic crisis, if it spilled to war, causes. In Nigeria, Based on research, we have everything it takes to rule the world and to build the world in the next 20 centuries without threats of lack. Unfortunately, because of the propaganda of ethnic crisis in the land, there is so much poverty in the land. The people are languishing in poverty, while nations that have little or nothing are progressing and are now at greener patches where all of us want to go. Nobody is thinking of how to resolve ethnic crisis in Nigeria. Based on research from our team, we discovered that one of the major problems that is holding Nigeria captive is ethnic crisis. It is possible I may not love you, but if I can respect the bond or that thing that kept us together, we'll live in peace. We need to put the ashes behind us. We need to put the stories they told us about different ethnics in the country behind us. We are all one people. We said that before. And it is not possible for any society, human society, to progress or develop in divergent vicinity. It is not possible for any human society to have peace in divergent vicinity. It is not possible for any society to grow in any dimension without peace. Our development has been halted at the individual level and collective level as a nation. Why? Ethnic crisis. There is so much hatred among us over somebody you never know from either. Because they told you story, you never investigated. This is what Rwanda went into. And when the force came to resolve that crisis in the land, the genocide in the land, the ethnic crisis in the land, today Rwanda is labeled on planet Earth as #1 fastest growing nation in Africa. Rwanda is glittering. Rwanda is growing. Rwanda is exploring higher grounds. Today, it is on record that Rwanda owned the first technological smartphone in Africa. There is no other country outside Rwanda. If you look at Rwanda and look at Nigeria with what we have as resources, you will agree with me that Nigeria is supposed to have been too far away in terms of record, creating and breaking than Rwanda. Join us in the next section. You see our YouTube channel and website. Thank you.